Hello, I'm Beth Kelly. I want to first thank Citizen Detroit for this opportunity to talk to you about what I call the 3 pillars of my campaign: my experience, my commitment to equal justice, and my independence. Let's step inside and we'll talk more about these 3 pillars. Thank you. Experience. I served on the Wayne County Circuit Court for 11 years, from 1999 until 2010. In 2010, I left the court only because I was elected to the Michigan Supreme Court. While I was on the Wayne County Circuit Court, I also served 3 consecutive terms as Chief Judge. In fact, I remain the only woman in history who has served as the Chief Judge of that court. Change to the front of the court that included implementing the call center so that citizens could get directly through to the front of the court. I also worked hard to improve the diversity of the Wayne County jury system. Also worked hard to change the lawyer assignment system to make it comply with the American Bar Association requirement. That is, so that judges couldn't just choose the lawyers that would appear to represent indigent persons in their courtroom. I believe, as a judge, that every person, every litigant, every lawyer who appears in my courtroom deserves my attention, my preparation, my respect, and whether they prevail or not, they should leave really having experienced justice. I'm again working in the Wayne County Circuit Court and have been since January of 2018, this time as a visiting judge, primarily in the family division, working to clear out a backload of cases. It's this direct impact with the citizens of Wayne County that I really love, and it's this experience which is driving me to run for this position. Equal justice. The race equity movement involves issues which touch upon our court and which our court needs to really be a leader on. Black Lives Matter includes issues beyond police brutality. It includes issues concerning, for example, that persons of color are disproportionately represented in our criminal justice system, and that disproportionality is greatly increased in our juvenile justice system. And we know that the biggest indicator of whether a juvenile offender will later appear in the adult system is whether they have in fact been in the juvenile justice system. Now, we've made some strides in this. Our treatment courts, our mental health courts, our diversion programs are all helping with this. But we need to use the momentum and the urgency of the race equity programs and this Black Lives Matters movement. As a court, we need to be a leader on this. We need to partner. We need to collaborate. We need to recognize that these are issues that are within our court, and I bring experience to this issue. Independence. I have a record of judicial independence that I'm very proud of. I haven't sided with a particular group. I decide issues based on the law and the facts of each particular case. I invite you to go to my website, marybethkellyforjudge.com. There you can see some of my opinions and get to know a little bit more about myself. I urge you to vote August 4th. Your vote is essential.